something.
Handcuffs?
Put them on one wrist.
Okay.
Good, and now we lock the other part around here.
Fun!
Okay, now try these.
Oh, candy! These are so hot! What are these?
Choo-choo peppers.
Oh, they're burning my mouth!
I know. Want some water?
Yes!
Tell me the secret of the bird scene.
I can't! I need water!
Oh, fine.
Wait, sorry! Water.
What you doing?
Angrily throwing books in my locker, can't you tell?
Have you figured out how you're gonna decorate it yet?
Yes. Look, I put a stripe on it. Did you see the stripe?
I see the stripe.
Well, I don't know what to do.
Why don't you do something, you know, creative and deep?
What'd you do for yours?
Come on.
Clear?
Transparent. I've got no secrets, and neither does my locker.
Oh, that is creative and deep.
Yeah.
So, anyway, about the bird scene.
Later.
Hey, Trina, can you help manhandle? Sorry, gotta get to lunch before they run out of paninis.
Man, this is humiliating.
Agreed. I can't believe you got us into this. Let's get out of this. Madam McKee,
Oui.
we're gonna have to drop this class.
If you drop this class, then it goes on your permanent record as a zero.
Oh, come on, you can't give us a zero.
Why do you want to drop this class?
Look around, woman. We're surrounded by dudes in tights. It's just gross.
Hey, sorry, I'm late.
Girl!
Hey, Robbie. Hi, Rex.
Hey,
What's doing?
Did you guys quit ballet?
we can't unless we want a zero.
Well, I'm sorry you're feeling stressed.
It's okay. I'm sure we can. Would you keep doing that, please?
Sure.
This is getting weird.
Hey, you know what's making me feel stressed?
Tell me, I'll kill it.
It's this whole bird scene thing.
Ah, there it is. The ulterior motive.
Hush, puppet. You help me with the bird scene, won't you?
I'm really not supposed to.
Ow! You bit my hand! Rex!
Take me to the bathroom. I gotta pee now.
He's a puppet! He can't pee!
You don't know what I got.
All right, class. Which dancers would like to show me the routine you were working on last time?
We would. What? You got this, man. You're a maniac.
Andre, Robbie, to the front.
Don't talk to anyone till I get back.
Position. Begin. Take a 5-minute break.
Please make it 10, 20.